Welcome to Conan's Kitchen. I am back from my vacation, and guess what? I didn't go to the Grand Canyon. My husband surprised me, and guess where I went? I went to Vegas. It was amazing. That's where we got married, and so he kind of like recreated everything for us, and it was super romantic and super sweet. That's not my husband, I swear. I think he was like running a fever or something. Anyways, I have lots to share with you guys. I tried a few different things. I went to this really cool Italian restaurant, and I'm sure you guys have heard of it, but they're like little bruschettas with mozzarella cheese, and then they put the tomatoes on it with balsamic vinegar and olive oil, and it was to die for. So I wanted to recreate that. I came home, I sampled it, I tried it. It was the best. I really got all those flavors in there that I had tried at the restaurant. So I plan on making a video for you guys with that. It is so super easy. I think I'm going to sample on trying to make some bruschetta bread before I get to that video, because it would be really nice to have my own like homemade bread. So I will practice around with that, and then once I get really comfortable, I will definitely share with you guys. So today I am going to make a summer meal. Everything is pretty much ready to go for you guys. I have some pasta here. I have some spinach, some cucumbers, and I had some leftover grilled chicken. So I just cut that up. Over here I have some Italian dressing, and then I have a big chunk of fresh mozzarella cheese. Oh, can I say yum? Pate in this little bowl right here. So you cook your pasta according to your package, and then drain it, and I like to use like little bow ties because they're so cute, and literally you assemble your bowl, and that's it. So you take your spinach. I desem yeah, I desem them. I just did it again. Anyway, I took the stems off, okay? So I'm just gonna put those right in there, and then that's gonna be that. I also have some cucumbers, and I kind of like chop these up really big because I was in a hurry. So I am just going to, oh goodness, I am just going to chop these up again and put those in there because this is just a little too big. Whoopsie. But Vegas was so nice. I got a chance to eat at some restaurants. One of my favorite chefs is Gordon Ramsay. And let me tell you how disappointed I am in his restaurant. First of all, I went to his fish and chips, and the people that were working there, the employees or whatever, just did not have any pride in his food, like you see on the show and stuff like that. He just, I just wasn't impressed, and the prices were outrageous. Like, I could have went to a fancier restaurant with better quality. Okay, so there's my cucumbers. I'm gonna dump my chicken in, and then I'm just gonna chop up my mozzarella cheese here. It's fresh, so trying to think the best way that I want to do this, and I think I'm just going to do it in like strips. You can use any mozzarella. If you don't like mozzarella, you can use Parmesan cheese. You're going for like a pasta salad kind of dish with like a little twist with the chicken. Everything needs to be cold when you put the cheese in, because it will get all melted and not taste very good. So everything definitely needs to be chilled before you add your cheese. So I am just cutting this up, and then I'm gonna add my mozzarella, and this looks like it's about what I want. So then after I cut all of this stuff up, my chicken, my spinach, my pasta, it's all in here. I am gonna take this wonderful Italian dressing, and I'm going to just pour that right on top. I'll have all the measurements in the description below. And then I am just going to give this a little toss. to get all of that mixed up in there. And then you're just going to refrigerate this and let all the flavors get in there for a few hours, and then you can serve it up cold at dinner time. And that is it, y'all. This is what it looks like. It is pretty. You also can add black olives to this. My family does not like it, so I leave it out. But I will definitely put everything that needs to be in it in the description below. So there it is. Delicious. So I'm going to grab a fork here. I have a cold. My daughter had to get me sick as soon as I got back home from vacation, so I kind of have like a little cold going on, so I apologize. Okay, so I got all this goodness right here in one little bite. Definitely really good. Must try. Super easy, especially if you have leftover chicken. Make up your noodles, cool them down, and throw it all in a bowl and serve it up. And there is your pasta dish. It's a very summery dish. Summery? Who knows when I come up with these words? I don't know. They're in my brain and they just come out like that, guys. I'm sorry. But it's definitely a summer dish. Must try. Hit that thumbs up button. If you have not yet already, hit that subscribe button. Go ahead, show me some love and share my video. Get this word out, because 500 more subscribers, I will get you guys a nice pot and pan set for you. So help me get to 500, and then I will enter all you guys in the drawing again, and hopefully one of you can take home these pots and pans. So go ahead, share. All right, guys, have a fabulous day, and I will be back soon. Bye.